Yeah, good morning, CA Chirag. Good morning, CA Rohit.
Good
Uh,
morning, sir.
Good morning. This time, in fact, lot of queries are coming that how we are required to report in our audit reports about the audit trail which are maintained by the clients for the purpose of maintaining their books of accounts. So, have you ever seen any practical examples where audit trail reporting have been done by the auditors? And if so, can you please explain? और आपके पास कोई डॉक्यूमेंट अगर है तो वो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir. We have seen various listed companies audit reports where the auditor has reported on the audit trail because from the financial year 23-24, it has been mandatory for the auditor. And also we have created a PPT about these companies which we have shortlisted to give a brief about how an auditor is reporting and in which sections they are required to report on the same. So we are going to share our PPT. So first, before going to the reports which in which auditor has reported over audit trail, we will let us discuss the audit, what is audit trail and how it is important. So audit trail are unsung heroes of financial transparency because they provide a transparent picture of who has made an entry in the software and who is editing these entries. So with reference to these three provisions, which Rule 11G and Section 143, subsection 3, clause B, and Section 143, subsection 3, clause H of Companies Act, auditor are required to report under these three provisions of Companies Law. So, what is an audit trail? An audit trail is a chronological record. Like audit trail provides us a chronological record by a day-to-day book in which people are making entries, the accountants are making entries and who are editing these entries, and even if they are deleting these entries, we are going to get the information related to them. And this provides us a transparent document. As an auditor, we are required to get our evidence documented, and because of this audit trail feature, we are getting these documentations of over the accountability, which provides us accountability and reliability on on the books of accounts. And this provides us a comprehensive oversight of all the picture what company is doing and how it is doing. So in and Rectifiers India Limited, which deals in electronic capital goods, where the statutory auditor has reported in with this language, like based on our examination, which included test checks. This means that auditor has made test check like sampling checking over the transactions, and the company has used an accounting software for maintaining the books of accounts, which has a feature of recording audit trail. This is a feature which can be seen in Tally or SAP, where people where auditor like get the information, where auditor like us can get the information like who are going made the entry and these kind of stuff, and the same has operated throughout the year. And also this is the important point, like it is not along with this that audit trail facility should be there, it is also equally important that the audit trail facility should be implemented throughout the year without tampering, without any temperament to its functionality. So also if any company is a company can voluntarily show that whether he want to show that कि notes to accounts में, notes to financial statements में उनको ऑडिट ट्रेल के बारे में कुछ बताना है या नहीं बताना, it is voluntary, but auditor is required to report on the audit trail. So in this case, the Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited does not opt to show any para on audit trail in its notes to financial statements. Also, because the auditor does not find any temperament and the audit trail was operated effectively throughout the year, the additional modification related to 143 subsection 3 clause B and 143 subsection 3 clause H was not made by auditor in his audit report. Now, moving forward to case 2, Rohit will speak about it.
So now let me tell you about case two. In this case, the audit report discussed of TCS, which is a well-known IT consultancy company. In this case, the audit report is modified by the auditor under section 143, as the auditor reported that audit trail, which is edit log, facility has been operated throughout the year for all relevant transactions, but was not enabled at the database level. That is, was not enabled at the application layer of the accounting software relating to revenue, trade receivables, and general ledger. That's why the auditor modified the report. The next case is of Trent Limited, which deals in consumer services. The company has mentioned in the notes that EditLog has been operative throughout the financial year for all relevant transactions recorded in the software impacting the books of account at application level along with its associates companies, which is further approved by the auditor in the audit report, and there is no modification in this case. Case number 4 is of Panasonic Carbon India Company Limited, which deals in capital goods. In this case, audit commented that we are unable to comment whether auditory feature of the said software, both at application and database level, was enabled and operative throughout the year. That's why auditor modified the report.
So, case number 5, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zones Limited, which is a port operator, a well-known port operator, which we can see in recent news and earlier news. So in this, auditor has reported log facility, audit trail facility, that the feature of recording the audit trail facility was not appropriately maintained, and hence auditor has modified his opinion on this particular point related to audit trail. Also, if here we can see that the company in his notes to financial statements has also separately disclosed that the audit trail facility was in function operated throughout the year, but except for some circumstances like the audit trail feature is not enabled for certain direct changes to data for users with the certain privileged access rights to the SAP application. And in point B, we can see that the audit trail feature is not enabled at database level. For underlying HANA database, it is a kind of database which is used by Adani Port for storing their data, and HANA base for most part of the year and billing interface at application level being not enabled for throughout the year. Further, no instances of audit trail feature being tampered with was not in respect of accounting software. So in this case, the company has disclosed that audit trail facility was running was running efficiently, but for some points and for some time it was tempered, and hence in the reporting section, which we can see just above the note, the auditor has given a reference to this note, which is provided by Adani Port in its financial statements. Refer note number 49 to standalone financial statements, so that the users of the entity can get a brief view that where and for what time the audit trail facility was not operating efficiently, and also because the audit trail facility was tempered and was not running properly during the year 2024. The auditor has also modified his opinion in 143 subsection 3b and 143 subsection 3 clause H. So this is a brief overview which me and Rohit has given to you about the operatingness of audit trail facility and how an auditor is required and in which section auditor is required to give a report, to give a reporting in his audit report over the same facility. So for deeper understanding, visit to our implementation guide, which has been released by ICI in 2024. So this is from our side.
So thank you,
Thank you.
Chirag. I think you have nicely explained with the practical examples uh, where various auditors have explained, various auditors have reported that audit trails are not maintained by various entities, as well as uh, in some of the cases, I have also noted that even the entities have also mentioned in their notes about the limitations for maintaining the audit trail. So I think it was a good knowledge which you have shared with the uh, which you are sharing with all the listeners. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.